Hi guys, I'm back with another mani. So I have some nail tips, full coverage here. These are from Tay from Amazon, Taye. And I have already applied one coat of Madam Glam's base coat and cured in my LED lamp. And just as a reminder, Madam Glam gel polishes are 21 free, HEMA free, cruelty free, palm oil free, and vegan. And so some of their polishes are 30-second cure and others are 60. I would just err on the side of safety and cure for 60 seconds. So we have two colors here, Down on Earth and Honeycomb. Down on Earth is like a army green, and Honeycomb is a pale yellow. Thought these colors were perfect together for my first or not fall themed mani. And so I will be applying the yellow to some of the nails, and then of course the Down on Earth to other nails, and then I'm going to actually ombre the middle nail. So I'm just applying, I'm going to speed this video up. I'm applying a thin layer of color to each nail, and then curing in between each coat for a full 60 seconds. So just hang out with me while we do this application. Now this green, I said it's army green, but it kind of gives you like that mossy type green. I think it's a nice shade. I like it. I don't do that many manis with this particular color. I think I have a green dip powder kind of along the same color from Color My World dips. But anyway, I am applying a thin coat, as I mentioned earlier, to all nails. I do like polishing full coverage nails because number one, I do maybe 2 manis a week, just to kind of, I only upload videos once a week, and I do 2 manis a week, and I don't want to keep sticking my hands in and out of the gel lamp. So here I can pop them in the lamp and not worry about getting those rays on my doggone skin from the lamp. And so here I'm applying Down on Earth to part of the nail, and then the latter part of the nail I'm going in and applying Honeycomb, which is that pale yellow, because I'm going to ombre these colors together. And so I do have my Madam Glam's ombre gel brush, and so I'm applying a little bit of base coat to the brush, just a little bit, and then I'm going to start with the lighter color, I'm starting with the lighter color, and I'm going to just kind of blend that together to as best as possible. It worked. I thought it was pretty neat, in my opinion. I do like ombre and gel polish. It's just really, really easy to do. And I actually did another video the same day, ombre and like shades of orange. So I thought it was really, really nice. And so I'm going in and applying Honeycomb on the thumbnail as well, and then I'm going to pop these in my LED lamp for a full 60 seconds. So after I get that second coat of color on each nail, I think that's my ring finger and my index finger. And so I'm just going in and using that down on earth, and I'm going to do a French on the nail. Not that great at, not, well, not a French on this nail. I'm tripping. I'm just drawing a line across the nail. I'm not worried about it being perfect. And, you know, if I wanted this line to really stand out on the nail, then I would go in with a cleanup brush and some alcohol just to sharpen the line up. So I'm doing the best I can. Not that good at drawing straight lines, but I'm trying to do something a little different, dare to be different. And so once I draw that line across that nail at a diagonal angle, I'm going to do a French on the other nail, and then I'm going to pop those in the lamp for a full 60 seconds. So here I'm going in after the nails have cured in my LED lamp. I'm going in with an alcohol prep pad. This one's pretty large. It's a 4x6. So I'm just removing the inhibition layer from the nail because I'm going to apply some green and white and yellow nail stickers that I got off Shein. Now, if you leave that sticky layer on the nail, it makes it difficult for the stickers to adhere to the nail. And so I'm just going in on each nail. I'm going to apply the nail stickers, and so you'll see how or I guess see why I chose that light buttercream. I thought this was a perfect fall mani. Fall just started, and so I thought this was perfect. And see, that's why I wasn't worried about that line, because it's kind of hidden just a little bit beneath that sticker. And so I got these off of Shein. I'll link them if I can find them, but I did get them off of Shein. And I'm just pressing that down on the nail. I shouldn't be touching all over the nail because again, they're not top coated or nothing like that. But I should have had some gloves on, but I didn't. And the set came with 2 sticker sheets, so if I wanted to do another set for my left hand, I could certainly do that. So I'm just removing the stickers with nail art tweezers, and once I place it on the nail, I'm using the silicone end and rubbing that in so that it will stick to the nail and not come up. So after I get all the stickers on, I am going in to encapsulate these nail stickers. I'm going to apply 1 coat of Madam Glam's base coat, Cure MI-LED lamp, and then I will apply some rhinestone glue gel that requires curing from a cart, and I had some white flower gems that I'm going to apply to the thumbnail and the pinky nail just to give a little extra. I really didn't need it because it kind of blended in on the nail, but when you see it, you'll get the look that I was going for. And I'm not sure what was on my base brush, but I had to get it off. I could see it on the nail when I was polishing. But anyway, and so once I cure that, again, I go in with some rhinestone glue gel, apply some flower gems to the thumbnail and the pinky. Then I cure that, and then I am going to top coat these nails. So here are the nails, the finished look. I thought they were really cute. And I do apply these to my right hand with some sticky tabs. So guys, please like this video if you found value. Leave a comment, let me know what you think, and subscribe to my channel. It is still free 99. So I hope you like this set. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.